put vacuum advancement set on manifold vacuum, so I put that on the ported. I've never really messed with this car too much because it's always just ran. We're going to see how well it does burnouts now as soon as we get up here to this stop sign. Can't do it in my neighborhood anymore for obvious reasons. Well, we're just cruising up here. The stop signs will be here pretty quick. Hopefully there'll be nobody around. It's feeling pretty peppy even at 70 miles an hour in Florida. It's going. Oh, cool, there's a cop. Sweet. We're going to turn right. There's not a cop. Still people though. There's a street right down here. We'll be able to do it. It's gonna turn left and do it anyway. Yellow Swagger. So this is pretty much a video of just looking at me, I guess. Sorry about you. All right, cool. Hopefully this guy's going straight. No, of course he's not. That's okay. There's a truck behind me. We're gonna get out here and do some hood rat shit, guys. We'll figure it out. It's Texas, boy. We got land. Oh, god damn. This dude is turning left also. He's not a cop though, so we're gonna pretty much. Burnout with no cops. Alright guys, well, I'm going to cut this off there. It's just a short little video for today. That's it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Until next time, take care, have a great day.